What's up YouTube, this LDS Reliance. Today I want to talk about what is coming down the pipe in 2019 for the solar panel industry. More specifically, what technologies will come to the market in 2019 for solar panels themselves. We're not going to be talking about batteries, we're not going to be talking about any other technology, just the solar panels themselves. So I've broken this down into two specific categories. The first category that I want to talk about is what completely new products are going to emerge in the solar panel market. The first product has actually already emerged onto the market, but it's going to get much bigger, and that is frameless solar panels. Now the reason these haven't caught on quite yet is because they're challenging to mount. They require special mounting hardware that's much different from a normal fixed frame solar panel. But manufacturers have released mounting systems for these panels now, and they look so much better than the normal framed solar panels, so look for these to be big in 2019. Next up is clear solar panels, which you'll start to see come out on the market. Now, since manufacturers have started thinking outside the box and stopped using traditional frames and the black backing behind the solar cells, now they can sandwich it in between two pieces of glass without a frame, and now you can make it into a window, or now you can make it into a clear solar panel, which is much more aesthetically pleasing. So look for these to be big over the next several years. In fact, I could see a day maybe in 5 to 10 years where many of the windows that are installed on new homes actually have solar panels built into them. Next up is solar roof tiles. Now before I get a whole bunch of comments saying that these have been around for years, you need to go check your facts. Yes, Elon Musk announced that these were a thing back in 2016 and started taking orders for these in 2018. However, none of them have shipped, none of them have been installed other than just test mules. Tesla's factory has ramped up production. We don't know any specifics, but supposedly we're supposed to start getting these installations happening in summer of 2019. So the other category that I want to talk about is what improvements are coming out for existing products. In other words, how are companies going to make existing solar panel technology even better? The first improvement I want to talk about is called split cell technology. And it's just like it sounds. They're splitting the solar cells in half. Because the cell is split in half, that also halves the voltage, which allows the cell to operate a little more thermally efficient. It also increases longevity because the solar thermal cycling is a little less harsh, and some other advantages as well. But look for that technology to become much more prevalent in 2019. Next, we have solar panels with built-in inverters on the back. Enphase is putting their microinverters on the back of some solar panels, which really just gives a nice packaging benefit. This isn't a major leap forward in technology. All it really does is allow the installation of a grid-tied system to be a little bit quicker. And hopefully that will transfer into lower labor costs on your install. And last but certainly not least is bifacial solar panels. Also called double-sided solar technology, it's just like it sounds. Sun can come from either direction and hit the panel and produce electricity. This only gives a minor bump in roof-mounted solar panel systems in production, but ground mount systems can benefit from this greatly because ambient light can reflect in on the backside of the panel and increase the productivity of the panel. Anyways, solar should have a great year in 2019. Thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, be sure to hit the thumbs up.